Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for business continuity planning, your ultimate guide for 2025. First up, let's log into teamwork.com. Once we're in, we'll want to navigate to the project's dashboard. This is our main hub for organizing and managing all our continuity planning. Now that we've done that, let's create our first project. We do this because each project can represent a different aspect of our business continuity plan, keeping our approach organized and efficient. Moving on, within our new project, we'll want to create task lists. These task lists represent the different tasks or actions we need to take to ensure business continuity. The reason we do this is to break down our overall plan into manageable steps, making it easier to track progress and stay on top of everything. Next up, let's assign tasks to team members. On teamwork.com, you can assign tasks to specific team members, add due dates, and even attach files. This helps us because it ensures that everyone knows what they're responsible for and when it needs to be done. Now let's look at the time feature. Here, you can track the time spent on each task, giving you a clear idea of how resource-intensive each aspect of your business continuity plan is. Let me explain why this matters. Time tracking allows you to identify any potential bottlenecks or delays in your plan, helping you to optimize and adjust as necessary. Finally, we have the Risk Register module. This is where we document all potential risks to our business continuity, along with their potential impact and our planned mitigation strategies. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By documenting these risks, we're creating a central repository of information that can be easily accessed and updated, ensuring that everyone is aware of potential challenges and our plans to address them. And that's it. That's how you can use teamwork.com to effectively plan for business continuity. Remember, the key is to stay organized, track progress, and keep everyone in the loop. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a robust and effective business continuity plan. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.